So a little tutorial on how to remove your headlight. You need a trim tool and a 10mm. So they're the only two. Obviously check out our other video on how to remove the front bumper before you try and remove the headlight. Now this headlight is broke, so there should be a screw somewhere where there isn't, and it's all been fixed before it came into us. So there should be one 10mm here, because this bracket should come round, but obviously that's broke, so can't remove that. It's been broken and glued up before up here, but there is one 10mm here and another one here, so I'm going to remove them too. Lift the headlight up and pull forward. Now for the plugs, these can be a bit stiff sometimes, but essentially most of them you just push down here and pull, but it's a little bit hard today. There we go, there's one, and then the same with these two as well. Brown bit, push that down, pull, black one. There we go, and that is your headlight removed. If this little tutorial helped, please like and subscribe.